I want you to remember we are really in an exceptional moment in time. We're coming out of COVID-19. The problem is there is no post-COVID-19. Until we have a vaccine, it ain't going anywhere. So we now have new restrictions. We got a new way of life, right? Curbside delivery, grocerant, online ordering, 50% service when we have a full service dining room. We've got new regulations for cleanliness and personal protection equipment and the like. We're probably going to go to paper menus that get thrown away every single day. Like, we have to take care. It is changing. Our food prices are going, all this stuff is going up, and it's going to be harder and harder. Hell, we went from we couldn't find an employee to there is going to be 8 million employees available. If we could get them off the $600 extra a month sitting home on their ass. These are exceptional times, which means you have to change. So everything that I've been teaching from lesson 1 through 4, apply more now than ever. And so you've got to decide, are you going to take action? Are you going to wait? Or are you going to do it right now? And that's where I want to invite you to join me on this journey. Let me help you be prosperous, to become a leader in your business, to know the systems you want to put in place, to achieve your dreams, to have the learning and train your managers, be able to hold them accountable, and to help you take action. That's what I'm here for.